Hey, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, I'm Daphne Mefi. On this channel, I share my sewing journey and I do plan to share more with you in the future. If you do get a chance, please follow me on Instagram. It's at Daphne Mefi. Most importantly, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to get notifications every time I post. So today's tutorial is an easy maxi halter neck dress for summer. This is very easy to make. So the first measurements you're going to need, so you'll need a rectangle that measures 2 times the waist circumference and whatever length you want your dress to be. Then the first step, you'll be creating an elastic casing for your elastic. Now using a safety pin, we're going to insert the elastic through the elastic casing we made. So now would be a good time to check if the elastic is tight enough around your waist and adjust it accordingly. Now close your elastic casing and also sew down to close the dress. Already ran a zigzag stitch around the bottom of my dress to avoid fraying. So now I'm just going to hem my dress by folding it over once and using a straight stitch. to the top of the dress. So you're going to measure the circumference of your under bust, and then with half of that measurement, draw a square. And then on the top of the square, find the middle measurement, and then draw a triangle using those measurements. This is a bit difficult to explain, but then at the end, you're going to have something that looks like a mini South African flag. Now for the straps or the ties, cut whatever width you prefer and whatever length you prefer. Now using a safety pin, turn the strap inside out. Now take the one triangle and then take your strap and face it down. Then take the other triangle and sandwich the strap in between. Now we're going to sew around the triangle and leave the bottom part open.